keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. In a world of fun and fantasy, and ever-changing views, and computer terminology, Commodore is news. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you. Are you keeping up with the Commodore? 'Cause the Commodore is keeping up with you.
Introduction. Congratulations on your purchase of one of the best computers in the world. You are now the proud owner of the Commodore 64. Commodore is known as the friendly computer company, and part of being friendly is giving you easy to read, easy to use, and easy to understand instruction manuals. The Commodore 64
Action.
User's Guide is
Welcome to
designed
the
to give you
backseat.
all the information you need to properly set up your equipment, get acquainted with operating the Commodore 64, and give you a simple, fun start at learning to make your own programs. For those of you who don't want to bother learning how to program, we've put all the information you need to use Commodore programs or other pre-packaged programs and/or game cartridges, third-party software, right up front. This means you don't have to hunt through the entire book to get started. Now let's look at some of the exciting features that are just waiting for you inside your Commodore 64. First, when it comes to graphics, you've got the most advanced picture maker in the microcomputer in Industry. We call it Sprite Graphics, and it allows you to design your own pictures in 4 different colors, just like the ones you see on arcade-type video games. Not only that, the Sprite Editor lets you animate as many as 8 different picture levels at one time. The Sprite Editor will soon be available as a software program that you can load directly into your Commodore 64. You can move your creations anywhere on the screen, even pass one image in front of or behind another. Your Commodore 64 even provides automatic collision detection, which instructs the computer to take the action you want when the sprites hit each other.
Nice.
Next, the Commodore 64 has built-in music and sound effects that rival many well-known music synthesizers. This part of your computer gives you 3 independent voices, each with a full 9-octave piano-type range. In addition, you get 4 different waveforms: sawtooth, triangle, variable pulse, and noise, a programmable ADSR, attack, decay, SUS, tane, release, envelope generator, and a programmable high, low, and bandpass filter for the voices, and variable resonance and volume controls. If you want your music to play back with professional sound 7. Downloaded from www.manualslib.com. www.manualslib.com Manual search engine.
Yep.
Production. The Commodore 64 allows you to connect your audio output to almost any high-quality amplification system. While we're on the subject of connecting the Commodore 64 to other pieces of equipment, your system can be expanded by adding accessories, known as peripherals, as your computing needs grow. Some of your options include items like a dataset asterisk recorder or as many as 5 VIC 1541 disk drive storage units for the programs you make and/or play. If you already have a Victoria 1540 disk drive, your dealer can update it for use with the Commodore 64. You can add a VIC matrix printer to give you printed copies of your programs, letters, invoices, etc. If you want to connect up with larger computers and their massive databases, then just plug in a VIC modem cartridge and get the services of hundreds of specialists and a variety of information networks through your home or business telephone. Finally, if you're one of those people interested in the wide variety of applications software available in CP/M***, the Commodore 64 can be fitted with a plug-in Z80 microprocessor. Just as important as all the available hardware is the fact that this user's guide will help you develop your understanding of computers. It won't tell you everything there is to know about computers, but it will refer you to a wide variety of publications for more detailed information about the topics presented. Commodore wants you to really enjoy your new Commodore 64. And to have fun, remember, programming is not the kind of thing you can learn in a day. Be patient with yourself as you go through the user's guide. But before you start, take a few minutes to fill out and mail in the owner/registration card that came with your computer. It will ensure that your Commodore 64 is properly registered with Commodore headquarters and that you receive the most up-to-date information.
Welcome to the backseat.
Regarding future enhancements for your machine.
Howdy.
Welcome to a whole new world of fun. Note, many programs are under development while this manual is being produced. Please check with your local Commodore dealer and with Commodore users magazines and clubs, which will keep you up to date on the wealth of applications programs being written for the Commodore 64 worldwide. Operation. Using the Commodore 64. Turn on the computer using the rocker switch on the right side panel when you're looking at the computer from the front. 2. After a few moments, the following will be displayed on the TV screen. Color adjustment. There is a simple way to get a pattern of colors on the TV, so you can easily adjust the set. Even though you may not be familiar with the operation of the computer right now, just follow along, and you'll see how easy it is to use the Commodore 64.
Okay.
First, look on the left side of the keyboard and locate the key marked M. This stands for control and is used, in conjunction with other keys, to instruct the computer to do a specific task. A 15 LKTMNSNICYMPUR no ILU.
He's gonna read the picture.
Yet. OS. S. To use a control function, you hold down the equals key while depress ing a second key. Try this. Hold the equals key while also depressing the key.
9.
Then release both keys. Nothing obvious should have happened, but if you touch any key now, the screen will show the character displayed in reverse type, rather than normal type like the opening message or anything you typed earlier. Hold down the. What happens? If you did the above procedure correctly, you should see a light blue bar move across the screen.
Yeah.
11. Downloaded from www.manualslib.com
Skip it.
Downloaded from and then move down to the next line as long as the pressed spacebar. Plus asterisk Commodore 64 Basic V2 plus 64K RAM System 3911E ASIC bytes free. Ready. Is done. Now, hold equals while depressing any of the other number keys. Each of them has a color marked on the front. Anything displayed from this point will be in that color. For example, hold M and F key and release both. Now hold the space bar, watch the display. The bar is now in yellow. In a like manner, you can change the bar to any of the other colors indicated on the number keys by holding and the appropriate key. Change the bar to a few more different colors and then adjust the color and tint controls on your TV so the display matches the colors you selected. The display should appear something like this.
Three, 6, 7, and 8.
At this point, everything is properly adjusted and working correctly. The following chapters will introduce you to the basic language. However, you can immediately start using some of the many pre-written applications and games available for the Commodore 64 without knowing anything about computer programming. Each of these packages contains detailed information about how to use the program. It is suggested, though, that you read through the first few chapters of this manual to become more familiar with the basic operation of your new system. Chapter: Getting started.
2.
Keyboard back to normal loading and saving programs, print and calculations, precedence, combining things. M. Downloaded from www. Keyboard. Now that you've got everything set up and adjusted, please take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the keyboard, which is your most important means of communication with the Commodore 64. We'll find the keyboard similar to a standard typewriter keyboard found in most areas. There are, however, a number of new keys which control specialized functions. What follows is a brief description of the various keys and how they function. The detailed operation of each key will be covered in later sections. Return. The key signals the computer to look at the information that you typed and enters that information into memory. Shift. The registered key works like that on a standard typewriter. Many keys are capable of displaying 2 letters or symbols and 2 graphic characters. In the upper/lowercase mode, the registered key gives you standard uppercase characters. In the uppercase/graphic mode, the registered key will display the graphic character on the right-hand side of the front part of the key. In the case of special yellow function keys, the registered key will give you the function marked on the front of the key. Editing. No one is perfect, and the Commodore 64 takes that into account. A number of editing keys let you correct typing mistakes and move in format icon around on the screen. CRSR. There are 2 keys marked IM, cursor, one with up and down arrows, FFL equals the other with left and right arrows, caret. You can use these keys to move the cursor up and down or left and right. In the unshifted mode, the keys will let you move the cursor down and to the right. Using the key in keys allows the cursor to be moved either up or to the left. The cursor keys have a special repeat feature that keeps the cursor moving until you release the key. Inst/del. If you hit the key, the cursor will move back a space, eras ing, deleting the previous character you typed. If you're in the middle of a line, the character to the left is deleted and the characters to the right automatically move together to close up the space. A registered registered I allows you to insert information on an example. If you noticed a typing mistake in the beginning of perhaps you left out part of a name, you could use the line. For a line equals CRSR key to move back to the error, and then hit registered I to insert a just type in the missing letter. CLR/home.
Wait a minute. Let me insert that letter back in. So, insert. Cool.
CLR/home.
Home.
Space. Then positions the cursor at the home position of the screen, which is the upper left-hand corner. A shifted will clear the screen and place the cursor in the home position. Happy Face IIT operates as the name implies. It restores the computer to the normal state it was in before you changed things with a program or some command. A lot more will be said on this in later chapters. Function keys. The 4 function keys on the right side of the keyboard can be programmed to handle a variety of functions. They can be defined in many ways to handle repetitive tasks. Control. The M key, which stands for control, allows you to set colors and perform other specialized functions. You hold the equals key down while depressing another designated key to get a control function. You had an opportunity to try the equals key when you changed text colors to create different color bars during the setup procedure. Run/stop. Normally, depressing the key will stop the execution of a basic program. It signals the computer to stop doing something.
Okay.
Using L.
Give me something to do.
16. Downloaded from the key in the shifted mode will allow you to automatically load a program from tape. Tape. Registered Commodore key. The Commodore Key Registered performs a number of functions. First, it allows you to move between the text and graphic display modes. When the computer is first turned on, it is in the uppercase/graphic mode, that is, everything you type is in uppercase letters. As was mentioned, using the registered key in this mode will display the graphic on the right side of the keys. If you hold down the registered key and registered key, the display will change to upper and lower case. Now, if you hold down the registered key and any other key with a graphic symbol, the graphic shown on the left side of the key will be displayed.
I see him.
Omer USTA said hello, brother.
Hey, how's it going? If you hold down the Commodore and Shift key. Oh, it's little. What if I do it again? If I spit it, what? What changed everything?
Omer USTA said I never had chance to play one of them, sad face.
Me neither. Just got it. Had to learn this stuff in high school, but it was on a Commodore PET. And this is way better than the PET. I never paid attention in class, so I didn't know I was learning cool stuff. Basic. Just turn this off so you see what it looks like when you turn it on there. Right, there you are. Power on.
To get back into the uppercase/graphic mode, hold down the registered key and registered key again. The second function of the registered key is to allow you access to a second set of 8 text colors. By holding down the registered key in any of the number keys.
I still prefer old DOS games than nowadays 100 plus GB games. Nova Lexus said hi, laughing face.
Hi Nova. How's it going? Yeah, I prefer old DOS games too. I play DOS box regularly. And now I got this. I load from tape when I'm feeling like it.
Keys, any text now typed will be in the alternate color available from the key you depressed. Chapter 5 lists the text colors available from each key. Back to normal. Now that you've had a chance to look over the keyboard, let's explore some of the Commodore 64's
thousands of hours game in one cassette or 720 kilobit single density floppy disks, but nowadays games around not less than 20 GB and finishes within hours.
Hey, that's a good point. That's a really good point.
Still have the color bars on the screen from adjusting your TV set, hold registered and the screen should clear and the cursor will be positioned in the home spot, upper left-hand corner of.
You already did that, okay.
Tip. Now that you've done things the hard way, there is a simple way to reset the machine to the normal display. First press the key and then press the Gym key. Must always be held down in order to use the key function. This will clear the screen and return everything to normal. If there is a program in the computer, it will be left untouched. This is a good sequence to remember, especially if you do a lot of programming.
Gonna be.
If you wish to reset the machine as if it were turned off and then switched on again, type sys64759 and press I equals. Be careful using this command. It will wipe out any program or information that is currently in the computer.
Oh, sweet. Now I'm playing with power. Let's try that. SYS 647 59. Bang. Wow. That was cool. Didn't really do much. Alright.
2. Cassettes. Use your dataset recorder and the ordinary audio cast. 18. 0. Downloaded from www.manuals. Sets that came as part of your pre-packaged program. Make sure the tape is completely rewound to the beginning of the first side. Then, just type load. The computer will answer with press play on tape, so you respond by pressing play on your dataset machine. At this point the computer screen will go blank until the program is found. The computer will say found program name on the screen. Now you press down on the registered key. This will actually load the program into the computer. If you want to stop the loading, simply press the key.
Run stop key. Alright. I'm gonna do that. I've got a lot of... So I just made it myself, see. So the Star Wars is on this. You can see it says Star Wars. And got her. Look at her neck. I gotta set it flat though. It's temperamental. Alright, so it said just type load and then press play. Now I gotta press return. Ah. Okay. You want a 3D Trek? Oh yeah, they're backwards. Side A is B and B is C, A. But we'll take a look at this. There's the cassette cover. You are one of the few survivors of the planet Carillion following a devastating raid by marauding space pirates. Sounds very Star Wars. You have vowed to avenge the murderous attack, to seek and destroy these aliens and end their galactic tyranny. Your newly designed super powerful starship bristles with computers and sensors, enabling you to search out and destroy the space pirates, wherever they may hide. The brilliant Star Trek game and arcade-style battle action of superb 3D graphics. They said Star Trek right there. Load play, keyboard and joystick, okay. Pretty cool. Oh, need some instructions. Long range sensors, press out. Whoa, cool. They're displayed as a 3x3 matrix. You are in the middle block. Each time you use a long-range sensors, the galaxy map is updated. S is empty, A is aliens, and P is planet for damage repairs. Press control. Back to normal, flying around in my spaceship. Press M for the galaxy map. So that's the map, eh? That's where we are in the galaxy. 8x8. You can locate your position by knowing your quadrant position from the navigation computer. Where's the navigation computer? I've died. How about yes? Press B for battle. Battle computer. Press S. Energy to shields. Let's go 7. Press control. Damage report. Damage report. I guess I have no damage. Navigation. Let's go to 3. Wait. I'll probably have to put it in port 2. but there's no bad guys here. See, if I look on the map. I'm in 3-3. I need to go to 0-3. Oops. Alright. Okay, so we'll go. Not to map. What was it? Navigation. Well, now that I know how to play, let me do it. Navigation. That's nice. I go 0. Doesn't say what port to put my joystick in. Oh no, it's the wrong port. Alright, I'm shooting now. How come I can't go left and right? Oh. What the? Come on. I think I'm dying. I need shields up. Did I kill him? And I don't know about this game. Oh, cool, look at it.
Omer USTA
Throwing it in.
said I need to leave now brother, but I added you to my follow list. Hope you to see your next streams.
Thanks.
Omer USTA is now following.
That's awesome. Thanks a lot. Have a good night. I'll be doing this every night. Mostly I want to learn to code. I'm just trying out the game right now. 5th year. Boom. Save the manual for later. Oops.
Slater USA. Welcome to the backseat. Slater USA
Hey, what's up?
said all about the poke and peek bro.
Yeah, poke and peek. That's what we're going to be doing later. But I'm getting her warmed up with a game. So we're going to get ready. Hey, get ready. Hey, Slater USA, thanks for the follow. Here we go. Oh. Look at that shit froze. My first freeze. Never done that before, but yeah, she's new. Brand spanking new Commodore. What's going on? Bummer, I wanted to play that. Let's put some music on while I sulk.